Hey people, it's Nias talking. So this is from Daily Mail. Human brain cells grown in a petri dish learn to play Pong faster than AI. Mini brains fire off neurons to move the paddle back and forth according to the location of the ball in the video game. The brain cells are grown in a brain on top of microelectrode arrays that can both stimulate the cells. To teach the let's just skip the actual article. Hundreds of thousands of human brain cells grown in a petri dish have found a new meaning in life. They spend the day playing the retro video game Pong. Australian scientists at Cortical Labs taught the cells to play in just 5 minutes, which is faster than artificial intelligence AI that pick up the game after 90 minutes. The system called dish brain is comprised of brain cells grown on top of microelectrode arrays that can stimulate the cells. To teach the mini brains Pong, the team used a single-player version of the game and sent electrical signals to either the right or left of the array to indicate where the ball is. This brain would then fire off neurons to move the paddle back and forth according to the location of the ball. Brett Kagan, Chief Scientific Officer of Cortical Labs, who led the research, told New Scientist, "We think it's fair to call them cyborg brains. We often refer to them as living in the matrix. When they are in the game, they believe they are the paddle. While playing Pong, patterns of activity across the neurons are determined by the mini brain as the paddle moving left or right. The virtual world where the video game is played responds to its activity, and the electrodes feed helps the mini brains learn how to operate the paddle." Kagan notes that although the mini brains can learn faster than AI, they are not as skilled when it comes to playing the video game. The organoids would lose against a computer like DeepMind. However, it takes AI 5,000 rallies. A rally is one gaming session that lasts for 15 minutes to get a hang of the game, when it took the dish brains 10 to 15 rallies. So is this admission that a human brain is actually much smarter than the fastest AI? Using this dish brain system, we have demonstrated that a single layer of in vitro cortical neurons can self-organize and display intelligent sentient behavior when organized in a simulated game world, reads a study published in BioRxiv. We have shown that even without a substantial filtering of cellular activity, statistically robust differences over time and against controls could be observed in the behavior of neuronal cultures in adapting to goal-directed tasks. In August, German scientists unveiled their lab-grown brains, but these were capable of developing their own rudimentary eye structures that can send light and communicate with the rest of the brain. Researchers at Heinrich Heine University's Institute for Human Genetics in Dusseldorf, Germany, used stem cells to grow organoids, pairs of optic cups, an early stage of eye formation that develops when a fetus is about 5 weeks old. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. This is very interesting. Please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'm going to leave this article in the description. You want to support this channel, leave my Cash App. You want to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave that there as well. If you want to buy one of our t-shirts, I'll leave that there as well. Peace.